Okay, let's see how we do this in practice. We've got some tracks already loaded. We've got bass, drums, rhythm guitar, lead guitar, organ and piano. I've already had to listen to these and everything sounds quite good except the organ and piano are a little bit dry. So we're going to use a reverb on these two. So we'll set up a reverb bus. As I explained before, it's just an ordinary track. So we create another track, but press Ctrl T. Click here, rename that reverb bus. Click on the FX button to add the effect we want. We'll use this reverb. We'll choose a preset, say concert hall. Should hear that fine. Now because this is parallel processing, the dry signal will already be going to the main bus, so we don't want any more dry signal from the reverb bus. So we'll turn dry to 0 and we put wet, that's the reverb signal, on full, 100%. Now we have to create or send the signals from the organ and the piano tracks to the reverb bus. We can do that in two ways. So first way is click on the I/O button for the track you want to send and choose here add a new send, and we'll send that to our reverb bus. Later we can adjust the amount of reverb that we get by the amount of signal we send. This is the send level. It's going to go to the reverb bus, the level of the signal from the organ track. Second way is to click on the bus, the I/O button, and over here we have the receives. You see we've already got the organ receive, so we can add a receive here, and we'll add the piano receive. There we have the controls again, the same send level controls. So we've got organ and piano sending to the reverb bus. And we can see here that SND shows that we've sent. If we hover over that, we can see where it's being sent. It's been sent to track 7 reverb bus and also the organ as well, track 7 reverb bus. On the reverb bus we have RCV or receive lit up, and we can see we're receiving from track 5 and track 6, so that tells us exactly what's happening. Now also we have here the master is still enabled because we want to send the dry signal to the master and the effect signal. We can control the level of effect signal with the fader in the effect track, like so. So let's try playing this. We'll just have a listen to these two tracks soloed for a moment. Well, unfortunately my screen capture software is mangling the sound from the playback, so I can't really give you a proper demo of that, but hopefully you've seen how to set up parallel effects in Reaper using an ordinary track to which you send the required audio and process that with your plugin before sending it back to the master bus. Thank you for watching.